2007, I remember I had the wonderful opportunity to go and do a study tour at Reggio Emilia. And I was blown by that experience. I had never encountered such an amazingly rich, personal, deeply immersive experience like I saw the children undergo in the centers at Reggio Emilia. And I came back thinking to myself, my God, how did I not know the capacity and potential that children have, and how do we energize that at Riverside? So I guess the idea of provocation, of course, the kernel, that inspiration came from my visit to Reggio Emilia, but the idea of how creativity translates into creation, and I think that journey of creativity, about inspiration, about exploration, whether it was about material, whether it was about ideas, whether it was about collaboration, was such an important then and non-negotiable to bring back into the early years. So I remember coming back and sharing with my team with so much excitement, enthusiasm, God, we just have to do this. And of course, they took it to a completely different level. But I think that's really what I was deeply moved by and inspired by the program that was so respectful about the capacities of children, and then just standing back and facilitating that, and then just being so curious about how children think, about what ideas they bring to the table. And the curiosity is not so much the idea itself, but the journey that resides in a child's mind, the memory that resides in a child's mind, the experiences that they've had in the past that they bring because of a provocation to a conversation. So it's so amazing, and suddenly you start realizing, oh my God, this child has had either this experience or that memory or this. And all you do then is be respectful of the information they give you, and then use it to craft a collaborative journey forward. So the provocation was really my personal provocation that happened at Reggio Emilia.